Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's tutorial, we will walk you through a quick and easy process how to add your Gmail account to Facebook. This can be super convenient for managing your contact and staying connected. So without further delay, let's get started. First thing first, open your Facebook app on your phone. Once you are there, find and tap on three horizontal line in the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on Setting and Privacy. From the Setting and Privacy menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main setting page where you will find the option See More in Account Center. Tap on that. After you are on the Account Center page, go to Personal Detail on Account Setting. Here you can see your information such as your contact info, date of birth, and account ownership and control. Tap Contact Info. Here you will see your contact number. To add your email, tap on Add New Contact button on the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Add Email Address. Type in your email address on the empty slot and tap on the circle right next to your name. After you are done, tap on Next. Here, Facebook will send you a confirmation code in your email that you have entered. Go to your Gmail and view the code. Then, type in the confirmation code in the empty slot and tap Next. There you have it, you have successfully added your email address to your account. So this is it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.